They don't look like anything over here. All right, you know what time it is. What up, what up? Welcome back.
Let's try it again.
Hopefully this time it's gonna work out a little bit better than last time. So we got to the same spot, but this time we'll try not to go to the fucking pond. Yeah, maybe some snowboarding like we planned last time.
Like,
get snowboard shoes.
Oh yeah, like 5 degrees.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking cold.
Oh Jesus.
Oh shit. All right, we're doing snowboarding. It's pretty awesome. Oh shit. A little bumpy over here. Another casualty.
To już kompletnie submerged in snow.
Should be good.
Like new? O kurwa, check engine.
Check engine.
Why is the check engine on? Check engine.
Yeah, check engine lights.
ABS.
Got ABS lights. Brake lights.
Oh, treat!
Uważam, ci rozjechał! Alright, we're going for it.
O kurwa mać! Jesus!
Nie rozjechałem się? To ja was fucking close.
That was fucking close.
You did.
It's fucking deep.
Let's try the right through the pond again. So let's test it out. Maybe today is frozen. Yep, we got no shovel, just front winch, but there is no trees in the pond.
There are some
Yeah.
trucks over here, but
Oh shit,
I don't think
feels pretty solid.
that's what she said. Not that funny.
You got it, you got it. tree.
Tree!
Tree.
A tree.
Nice.
Woo! Jesus. What the fuck? What the fuck? Zobacz, to w lewo chcę przejść. Spróbować. A na synę. We're stuck?
Let's see what's the situation.
We're deep, dude.
What the fuck?
Beautiful. What's the situation?
You didn't buy any
Recovery gear?
recovery gear.
Of course not. We're stuck again?
Yeah, it looks like it's a pond. We found another pond.
How is it not frozen? It's the middle of fucking February. And it's like 5 degrees. Well, what is it, fucking thermal springs in here?
It's getting serious. Gonna test it out the winch finally. Alright, so we're winching the car. Fuck. That's how it looks. Pretty fucking sketchy. Alright, so I got fresh batteries in a GoPro, so I can do some more of my hands. Of course, when something happened, the fucking battery died. We got stuck pretty deep. So let's go back and show you guys.
Deep, dude.
Yep. What do we do for you guys? For the views.
Right. Jesus. Shit was deep, dude.
So that's the spot where we get stuck. I mean, outside it's like what, 5 degrees?
Yeah.
It's 5 degrees?
It's been cold for like the last couple months. It's the middle of February.
Yeah, I didn't know they have hot springs in Schaumburg. They don't look like anything over here, but it's a little muddy.
Well, we made it out.
250 bucks for the winch?
Oh yeah. Straight from China.
Looks like this is gonna be enough for today.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of adventure, a little bit of fucking mudding, winching, snowboarding, droning.
Everything. Everything goes here.
Yeah, that's a good Saturday.
Coś kurwa kierownica stuka.
Watch where the cone.
I know. I don't know what it means, but
Oh, Jesus. Alright guys, so it looks like that's gonna be it for this time. See you in the next video. Probably on Wednesday. See ya.